Today I'm gonna show you two things. First one is the garbage truck, and second one is the small animals. First, I'm gonna show you the garbage truck. These are over here. These are the two lights. So then the garbage truck can be very, very safe in the night. And this compartment is the compressed body. And see inside it? That is where all the garbage goes. And that is the very, very big construction body. It packs it really, really tight, and then it jumps, and then here down here, these are airbags. Watch this. Yeah, the garbage truck lowers because of those airbags, and you use those airbags before you dump. Okay, now let me show you some of this. This is the cab. This is the cab. This is where the driver sits and steers the garbage truck with the steering wheel. Here's the steering wheel, and this is the windshield. It's really, really good because it helps you not get a bunch of bugs in your mouth. Yeah, you're really, really safe for this. Yeah. And this is solar tape. Solar tape has red and white stripes. It's for light to bounce off on the solar tape and then make the truck really, really bright at night. And this is the button. This is the compressed body. When we press it, look, see? All the lights shine. And this is magical. It doesn't need a button. Yeah, and now let's put the garbage truck aside. And oh yeah, the small animals. Let me pull them all out. Let me set them up. Okay. So now, first, the turtle. Turtles are water animals, and they have these feet and this shell to hide because they're scared of really, really dangerous humans. Yeah, because they can hurt them. But humans are nice sometimes. Yeah, this tortoise has slow movements, so then they can move. And let's put this aside next to the garbage truck. And then the hedgehog. Hedgehogs have these little spikes right over here. Yeah, and this is a nose. Do you know why it's called a nose? Because it looks like a nose. And these are the eyes. These are the legs. Hedgehogs get really, really fast. And these are the spikes. Okay, so now the koala. The koala is a marsupial. Not any of these type of animals. These are different. And this back, and this is called a pouch. This is where the baby comes out. And this is the face, and this is the nose, and the mouth, and the eyes, and all that, and the arms, and the ears, and the feet. So let me put this aside too, and then we need to show this. This is an anteater. This eats its prey. Anteaters like to eat ants when they rock onto the ground, just like this, and then they use their tongue, their long tongue, to slurp them. Yeah, like Macrophast does. Slurp the germs. Okay. And this is the penguin. A penguin is very, very good. it lives in snow and ice, and sometimes when it's not cold, doctors have very, very cold things that are super duper cold for them to stay cool in the sun and in the water. Yeah. See this? You know what this big animal is? This is a beaver. It's the biggest animal ever. And this is the very, very strong teeth. The strong jaws are called the front teeth. 2 big front teeth. And these are the foot. Beavers like to eat wood. They cut wood down with their strong jaws. Yeah. So we need to put this one aside too. And now this is the platypus. This is the kind of animal that walks around and looks quietly for its prey. This left, right, up, down. Yeah, like that. I was speaking quietly because of this small animal. And this is a raccoon. This has a long tail and a fur and some legs and some black eyes, a nose and a mouth here, and this is its body over here. Yeah, this is its body. Okay, so now this is a rabbit. A rabbit hops, and it has 2 long ears and a butt behind it, and some mom. I'm gonna point it down a little. And this is the feet, which they use to walk around. And this is the body, and this is the compressed body. And the last 2 are the squirrel and the owl. First one, the squirrel. Squirrels can climb up trees really, really well because of the squirrels have very, very long tails, feet to run really, really fast up trees, and a face, and a nose, and a mouth, and some eyes. Oh, and the ears, you can't forget about those. And this is the round, precious body. There's some sort of butt behind it, and the teeth, the 2 front teeth, because squirrels are rodents, remember? Yeah, just like beavers are. See, this is an owl. This comes out at night only at night. Yeah, and it has wings to fly, and it has feet, some feathers, and some sparkling eyes, and a beak. Birds like to eat fish. Did you know that? They fly towards the birds or the fish, and then they use the beaks to catch them. Yeah. So that's the end of this video. Thank you, kids, for watching. I got a very important message to send from you. You are not able to catch up on our videos, but don't worry. You can still share your Wi-Fi, Facebook, and Instagram, and you can head to my videos. I am looking forward to share my very cool videos with you.